guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is the day. Because I've got my first beauty box ever! And, what's even better, it was sold in a bundle with mystery box. I got 2 of those boxes for... yeah, just £10. Okay, now let's check if there is no Schrödinger cat inside that black box. This box is September 2022 edition. Nope, no cats, just some beauty stuff. So the first thing we actually found was Edit magazine. It looks really nice. Inside there are product reviews, beauty tips and tricks, and a sneak peek to the October box. The first beauty product is Ren Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic, a fan favorite toner to help leave complexions bright and skin energized. The one from the box is travel size. I've heard so many positive reviews about this tonic, and actually its ratings on makeup websites are quite high. So I'm really excited to try it on my skin. So what's in the formula that makes Ren Skin Tonic a bestseller? The secret ingredient is a blend of AHAs and BHAs. I've got combination to oily skin with blemishes and pigmentations after breakouts. Bingo! So acids are my best friends in skincare routine. This little baby is a headliner of this box, so let's open it. I'm not going to wait. Feels like water. Very lightweight and clear, almost no smell. The description on the website says it would help me to glow. I'd prefer to glow from happiness, but anyway, it's good to have some support and glowing kind of thing. So let's put it aside, and next one. Disable Retinyl Night Oil. Great. I use retinol myself and highly recommend it. Retinol's efficiency had been proven by many studies, so it's definitely not just about marketing. Retinol is mostly used in nighttime skincare routine, so Disable works while you sleep. It's actually nice that when something works without my active participation, I like it. This bottle looks like half of a full size. So let's read what they say about the product. Ultimate skin regeneration, reduces pigmentation lines and pore size, deeply nourishing, distressing and radiance boosting. Wow, pretty good. I found some reviews on this product on Cult Beauty website, and most of them are from good to great ones. Definitely worth trying. And here we find Bleach London, Reincarnation shampoo and conditioner. I haven't googled this bundle yet, but the word reincarnation sounds inspiring to me. I'm struggling with hair loss right now, and at the same time I'm constantly working on my hair quality. This year I had to cut half of my hair's length, so damaged it was. Basically, when nothing helps with the hair, I use the most efficient ancient method. I cut it. Now let's take a closer look at this bundle of joy. So those bottles are minis, containing 1/3 of the full-size product. The description on the website claims that the bundle aims to minimize the risk of breakage. Enriched with bond-targeting technology, the set is powered by creatine, amino acids and wheat proteins, encouraging the illusion of thicker-looking lengths. Reviews from the customers seem to be all 5 stars. Next item, Nail HQ Cuticle Oil. Perfectly in time. I've just run out of my cuticle treatment and was going to buy a new one. Nails HQ oil is infused with vitamin E, almond oil and avocado oil. The ingredients list is short but impressive. When it's getting cold outside, my hands become a disaster. So I'm using oils and hand creams all the time. And I'm pretty happy to get one. Just let's try it. It doesn't have any scent and is very lightweight, even watery, I'd say. And the last but not the least, these ELEMIS Pro-collagen Hydra-gel eye masks. Wow, I'm in love with ELEMIS products actually. I really like them. I had some samples from last year's advent calendars and they were amazing. So those masks should reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, provide instant skin tightening effect, and hydrate the fragile eye area. The ingredient list includes marine extracts and hyaluronic acid. And once again, the reviews are just perfect. Seems that those patches are the best from the best. The full-size packaging has 6 sachets in it, but I've got only one in the box. I rarely use patches, but will definitely try those. So this was the last item. Now, let's calculate the so-called profit from the September box. £50 plus priceless emotions. Now it's time to open the mystery box. In opposite to the September box, this time I have no idea what's inside. Look at it. Just look at it. Ooh. And the first thing I see is this soothing toner. Funny that we found it right after the patches. That's not a full-size product, just 50 ml, but anyway, that's great. Can't wait to try it. Let's see what we've got. And here we find the extremely expensive lip balm. £56 for 10 ml. Wow. So on the event website they say that for satin smooth hydrated lips, this soothing balm aims to leave lips irresistibly soft, youthful and nourished. Let's check. Well, it wasn't that easy to apply the balm. It has rather liquid consistency and the package is inconvenient for me. Okay, next. Oh! Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Booster Restoring Conditioner. So it's not a treatment itself, but a conditioner. I love the treatment, so I expect that conditioner will not disappoint me. I know it's just a miniature, but anyway, it's quite enough to try the product. Next item. And it's the most unexpected one. Ladies and gentlemen, Australian tea tree oil. That's the most controversial product in this box. The reviews go from love to hate, but for me, personally, this oil works its magic. I use it directly on the pimples. It helps a lot to heal them and reduce blemishes. The consistency of oil is more like a serum. I like it a lot. Be aware that this tea tree oil has a very intense scent, so I would not recommend to use it if you have plans which include other people. This time we've got the full-size product, worth almost £12. And we've got 10 ml of Versal Hydration Serum. The real star of this serum is niacinamide. And that's another ingredient which efficiency is scientifically proven. The one I've got is only 10 ml, but the full-size version should be 30 ml. Very expensive product, and of course I am delighted to try it. It can be used day and night, and that's a huge plus for me also. And we find Molten Brown, my favorite shower gel. Those bottles simply last forever. And the scent is just amazing. I didn't know that, but this gel actually could be used as bath bubbles. Gorgeous! Time to calculate the treasure. So I did some basic maths for you. That's unbelievable. Okay, let's summarize. Out of 2 boxes, I've got 11 products and paid for them £10, but their real value should be. LookFantastic has many subscription options, and I'm definitely planning to buy another boxes. But currently we are done with unpacking. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you again in next videos. This video is actually my first try to do something for my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.